walking over where you are, and then we'll go to the train. Take the train back to the front, and they're making their way.